Hey, how's it going? Today I'll show you an amazing and totally free application which people use to watch live TV as well as live sports. There are hundreds of channels available in that app from all over the world. Here I just had to blur out my screen because YouTube doesn't allow me to show you the exact channels available in the app, but trust me, you are going to like it. So now, without any further ado, let me show you how to get this app to your device. First of all, you'll have to get an app called Downloader. You can actually get it for free from the official Amazon App Store. To do so, we just need to go to search on your device, open the search bar, and start typing Downloader right here. As you can see, Downloader already popped out for us at the bottom, so we just click on it, and that's the app which you need to get to your device. However, after you get Downloader, it's not over yet. We still have to set it up. So to set up Downloader, we'll go to Settings, and actually let's do it right now. Click on that button with the gear icon, then scroll down and open My Fire TV. Click on it. Here you will have to enable developer options on your device. However, on some Firesticks and especially on the new ones, the developer options can be hidden by default. So if that's the case, do not worry, it's really easy to make them appear. Just go to About, select Fire TV Stick, and now you have to click on the middle button on your remote for 7 times and do it fast. So let's do it. As you can see, now at the bottom for me it says no need, you are already developer. That's in my case. In your case, it's going to say that you have become a developer now. And if you go back a bit, you will finally see developer options, which just appeared right here. So we open them, make sure to enable 8-bit debugging, then go to install unknown apps. From here, turn that option on for Downloader. So what it does is going to allow you to install other applications from the internet and not necessarily only those apps which are only available in the official Amazon App Store by default. And that's exactly what we're going to do right now. So now finally let's go to the list of apps on your device. There it is, open it. And here you'll find Downloader, which is set up and ready to use on your device. However, before actually using Downloader, there's one more thing which I really recommend doing. It's of course connecting to a VPN. In my case, I mostly use NordVPN. Because they're super fast, we got a great app for Fire Sticks, Android TVs, phones, laptops, or pretty much any other device you may use. And they're not expensive for such a premium service. In fact, they cost less than a cup of coffee per month, which is great pricing for us, the users. In the VPN app, you just connect to any server. Let's say I'll connect to United States right now, and from the moment you connect, all your traffic is going to be totally encrypted. It means nobody can track you or snoop on you online, and that's really important if you want to stay out of trouble. And if you don't have a VPN yet, but you want to try it out, I do have a great offer for you. If you use my link, which will be in the pinned comment below the video or in the description of the video, you'll get 3 months of NordVPN totally for free, which is an amazing offer. And if you're watching this video on your TV or on your Fire Stick, then just grab your phone or your computer, open up a web browser and go to topvpnoffer.com. That's my website, which is going to give you the same amazing deal for NordVPN with 3 months for free. Or just scan the QR code, which you can see on your screen right now with a camera of your phone. It works the same way and it's also going to give you the same amazing deal. And now finally, let's use Downloader safely. So we gotta open the Downloader. There it is. Let's open it. Wait until it loads. Here, it's really important that on the left side menu, you click on Home and not on Browser. So make sure to click on Home, and here in that search bar, we need to enter a code, which is going to be 28907 and 7. So once again, the whole code is 28907. Make sure to enter it exactly as you see on the screen and do not make any mistakes, because obviously if you make a mistake, your code is not going to work properly. Then we have to click on Go and wait until a website opens. While it loads, make sure to subscribe my channel for more content on Firesticks, and of course hit the like button below this video to help us develop our channel. It will benefit both us and you, because we'll be able to create even more content for you. Now when the website loaded, just scroll down a bit until you see a list of categories. And from the list, we have to find Live TV. There it is. Now we click on that category and a huge list of apps is going to open up. Now just need to scroll down until we find an application called TV Tab. Yep, there it is, the TV Tab application. You can see it on the screen right now. Make sure to find it yourself and click on that app. After you click, some kind of ad might pop up. If it does pop up, just click on close or on X, depending on what kind of ad you see, to close down the ad. So we click on close, and now a new web page should open up for us. Yep, there it is. We also have to scroll down. Keep scrolling until you see that download button. That's exactly what we're looking for. But if for some reason it doesn't work and the download doesn't start, you can always use the backup download link, which is just below the usual download button. So now we click on download, and in a couple of moments the app download is going to start. Usually it doesn't take long, but of course it all depends on your connection speed. Then we have to click on install and wait until TV Tap application gets installed to your Firestick. After that, do not click on open yet. Instead, select done, click on it, and here we'll have an option to delete the installation file, as we really don't need it anymore on our device. So we click on delete and then delete once again. This way we erased unnecessary files from your Firestick and saved you some free space. And that's actually really important because you don't have too much of free space on your Firestick anyway. Now finally, let's go to the list of apps on your device. Scroll to the right, click on the list, scroll to the bottom, and there's the TV Tap application which we just downloaded. Now I would recommend you to click on the options button on your remote. That's the button with 3 horizontal lines. Click on it and then press on move to front. This way TV Tap application is always going to be at the very top of your application list, and it's going to be really easy for you to access the app every time you need it. Just don't forget to keep your VPN connected to stay safe and out of trouble. Once again, you can get 3 months of NordVPN totally for free if you use the link below the video or just go to topvpnoffer.com. Enjoy and see you next time. Bye bye.